This is a very latest update about the Chevening Scholarship 2024. That is a 100% fully funded scholarship open to all international students to study in the UK. And this particular scholarship covers your university tuition fees, a monthly stipend, travel costs to and from the UK, an arrival allowance, a homeward departure allowance, the cost of visa application, and a travel grant to attend Chevening events in the UK. Has no age limit, and as well as the application is free of charge. And right now, you can apply from today to study a 1-year master's at a leading university in the UK because the applications are now open. And some Chevening fellowship are also open as well for application depending on your country. This is the application timeline for 2024-2025 section. The application opened on 12th of September 2023 for all countries, and you have until the 7th of November 2023 to submit your application. And thereafter, your application will be processed based on the various criteria, and then from June 2024, successful candidates will be contacted. And then you have until the 11th of July 2024 to submit your one unconditional UK university offer letter, and you'll be starting your studies in September-October 2024 in the UK. I have made a comprehensive video where I explain everything that is important for you to know regarding this particular scholarship. All you need to know while submitting this application. It is very important you see this video first before heading on to submit your application to enable you submit a successful application. And to send in your application, all you simply have to do is to come on this page and you select your country. For example, I'm going to select Nigeria, and here you can select the type of award you want, either a scholarship or a fellowship. So I'm going to leave it unchecked so that I can see all the awards available for a Nigerian. Then I hit on search. So right here you can see as a Nigerian you have the opportunity to apply to a Chevening scholarship as well as a fellowship program. So depending on what you're interested in, you can click on each of them to start your application. So I'm going to click on the Chevening scholarship, for example. Then here you read all the information that is necessary for you to know, and once you're ready, you hit on apply today. Automatically brings you to the page where you're going to be submitting your application. Then you click on register if you have not logged into this portal before, or you log in with your email and password. I also encourage you to click on this link here, the guidance, so that you can understand everything you need to know regarding submitting an application on this portal. It will help you a lot. I would encourage you to apply as soon as possible and take advantage of this scholarship opportunity. Please let me know in the comment section below if you'll be applying to this scholarship, and I wish you good luck with your application.